Before you replace a deck support arm retaining pin on your riding mower, make sure the ignition switch is in the off position and the key has been removed. Confirm that the mower deck is at its lowest position and the clutch actuator lever is in the off position. While the cotter pins used to secure the mower deck support arms are sturdy, the metal can corrode or rust with prolonged exposure to the elements, so it's a good idea to periodically replace the pins. When installing a new retaining pin to secure the front or rear support arm, make sure the washer is in place before sliding the pin into position.